Quinoa was the Incas' nutritious grain substitute. Quinoa, Chenopodium quinoa, like spinach and beet, is a member of the foxtail family. This valuable crop is known as a pseudo-cereal because it is not a true grain. Quinoa originated in South America and has been a staple food for approximately 6,000 years, particularly among the inhabitants of the Andes. Although the leaves and shoots are edible, only the seed is commonly used in cooking. Quinoa is known as the gold of the Incas because of its valuable ingredients. Even at altitudes above 4,000 meters, the low-maintenance plant thrives. This natural remedy has a reputation among the South American population for strengthening the body's resistance and conferring long-term immunity to many pathogens. Characteristics and active ingredients: quinoa is regarded as a healthy and complete food due to its high nutritional content. Because the plant does not contain gluten, it is also suitable for people with celiac disease or intolerance to wheat products. Vegans and vegetarians particularly value the pseudo-cereal as a source of valuable vegetable protein. Furthermore, the natural remedy provides our bodies with essential minerals, vitamins, antioxidants, phytochemicals, and the full spectrum of essential amino acids. Copper and manganese are minerals that increase the production of a biocatalyst that protects red blood cells from free radicals. Furthermore, manganese has a significant impact on carbohydrate metabolism and ensures that our bones regenerate on a continuous basis. The amino acid tryptophan is required for the brain's production of serotonin. This important messenger, neurotransmitter, also known as the happiness hormone, regulates a variety of bodily functions. The healing effect improves general well-being, increases mental and physical performance over time, and aids the body in losing weight. Maintains acid-base balance, strengthens bones, and protects against osteoporosis. Migraine symptoms are reduced. Can help prevent cancer. Normalizes blood sugar levels and keeps hunger at bay. Has a beneficial effect on the intestinal flora and eliminates the living conditions for unwanted Candida fungi. Increases resistance and aids our immune system. Regulates digestion and activates metabolism. Encourages intestinal activity. Lowers cholesterol and protects against cardiovascular disease. Can help with lethargy and depression. Dosage: because quinoa is a food, there are no dosage restrictions for the plant. However, it is not recommended to consume large amounts at once or to feed solely on it. There is currently no scientific evidence to support the use of the pseudo-cereal during pregnancy. Pregnant women and nursing mothers should avoid quinoa entirely to avoid unnecessary risk. What should you look for in a product's quality? Check to see if the product contains any additives. Salt, sugar, palm oil, preservatives, and other additives should not be included. In the description you can find 100% pure quinoa. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends.